Hey Twinkl parents, today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this simple smoothie at home with your children. This recipe has been designed to be simple for children to follow. So let's take a look at what you're going to need. For this smoothie you will need a mango, a banana, strawberries, yogurt and honey and orange juice. Start by chopping your banana into small chunks and add into your blender container. Now chop 3 strawberries and the mango into small pieces. Once you have done this, add 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt plus a tablespoon of honey. Now pour in the orange juice and blend everything until you have a smooth, runny texture. Pour the smoothie mixture into a glass and don't forget to cut the last strawberry and use to decorate the glass. And there you have it, a simple and easy smoothie to make this Mother's Day. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content, and I'll see you next time.